As Chuck mentioned, my name is Jane Ard-Smith, and I'm the chair of the local Sierra Club. The good news is that my speech is the shortest of all of them, so I won't keep you here too long. But I just wanted to let you know a little bit about the Sierra Club and why we're here. As many of you may know, the Sierra Club is an international environmental organization that works to promote conservation. We do that by advocating on behalf of the environment in front of our legislature, our elected officials, in front of our administrative officials, and in the courts. We have 1,600 members here in the Pikes Peak region. We have 25,000 members in Colorado, and we've got about 1 million members nationwide. So we're a large organization. Now you're probably asking yourself, what does an environmental organization have to do with healthcare reform? Why am I here today? Well, it does seem like an odd combination, but I'm here today to stand in solidarity with those who seek to make a positive change in our community, in our state, and in our nation. A few years ago, the Sierra Club was a founding member of the Blue-Green Alliance. The Blue-Green Alliance is a national partnership of labor unions and environmental organizations that's dedicated to expanding the number and quality of jobs in the green economy. Since forming that alliance, the Sierra Club has worked with labor unions all over this country to promote clean energy jobs, pass climate change legislation, and protect workers' rights through the Employee Free Choice Act. We're working to end trade policies that cause our production and our pollution to be sent overseas to countries with weaker environmental standards and to countries that don't pay a living wage. In working on these initiatives, we've discovered that we face the same obstacles that the folks who are working so diligently on healthcare reform face. We're getting a pushback from large corporations who have a vested financial interest in maintaining the status quo. In the case of climate change and clean energy, we're fighting misinformation and smear campaigns from big oil companies, and big coal companies that want to squelch any effort to lead our nation toward a sane renewable energy future. In the case of healthcare reform, we're fighting enormous insurance companies that are doing the exact same thing, spreading misinformation to the most vulnerable in our community and using fear tactics to derail reform efforts, all in the name of corporate profits. And although the corporations opposing healthcare reform and the corporations opposing clean energy may be different, they are doing the exact same. And that's why I'm here today to say enough. We simply cannot let fear-mongering and lies defeat reform, whether it be healthcare or climate change. Thank you. And I'm also here to say to those who stand in the way of progress, beware. Those of us who seek to better the lives of our workers, to better our nation, and who seek to better our planet are standing together to bring about change. We will not let the lies go unchallenged, no matter the source. We will not let fear and anger dictate the conversation or prevent us from doing what's right, no matter the cause. We will not let corporate profiteers prevail over the health and well-being of our citizens and our planet, no matter the corporation. And finally, we will hold our elected officials accountable to us, the people, and we expect them to do the same. Thank you.